Welcome back, Gary Brown Forging on. Hope everything's running. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take one of those ball bearings I bought and I'm going to make a basically a round punch. And so I'm going to take this. I got to decide whether I'm going to flatten one side to weld it, but I'm going to take this. I'm going to take a piece of coil spring. I've got some that I've already cut off and straightened out like this. This one's more of a truck one. It's a little big for this, I think. So this is one I straightened out, but I hadn't finished it. I just got it kind of uncurled. Let me cut off a chunk of that. That'll work out pretty good. So I'll straighten this out, I'll taper it down, and then I'll put this, and I'll weld this on the end of it and make a round punch just to see how this works out. So I'll fire up the forge and cut me off so much of this. I'm just going to take the camera, put it on the anvil, and just show you everything on the anvil. Notice it's so near the forge. Then when I get to welding this, I'll show you setting up and welding it, and then we'll go from there. But like I said, this is some 5160 car spring material. I'll get it straightened out better than that. And like I said, this is 3/4 inch. It came in that set I got from eBay. I think 3/4 20 millimeter. And I got 4. I said in a previous video, I was talking about the stuff I got from eBay. I said I got these 4 for like, I got them like $6 a piece or something, you know, for the, I got a pack of 4 and a pack of 7. The pack of 7 went up to 1.5 inches. The pack of 4 went up to 1 inch. And so I was way off. The pack of 7 was more like $16, but it went up to 1.5 inches, and that's a pretty good size. And but I'm gonna take one that's 3/4, and I'm gonna see, or 20 millimeter. I'm gonna see how it works. So let's get started. I'm gonna move you to the anvil. Probably won't do much talking. I'm just gonna forge this out to a taper, and then once it's cooled down, I'll shape the end. Put a hexagon end on it, and I'll shape it and stuff like that, and then I'll weld the ball on there. So hang on. think I'll try that. I welded with 70-18 rods.